I want to show you probably the coolest thing that you're going to see all day. Watch this. You put a little bit in the cannon, fill the rest with water, you hook it to your pressure washer or your garden hose, and then you just spray it.
So the foam guns, we've got a garden hose foam gun. So garden hose will go right into the bottom of the handle. 4 ounces, ready to go, foam it up. Really quick and easy to use. The last method we have is a pressure washer foam gun.
We got the foam gun attachment here.
This just clips right onto the end using a 1/4 quick connect adapter. Twist the nozzle, you're gonna wanna turn the top of it. If you turn it all the way to the right, you're gonna get the most foam. We're just gonna let it soak. As you can see, a lot of the mud's already starting to come off. It's eating it away. It's a wash and wax product, so it's a cleaner that's also mixed with a wax additive.
It's awesome. Thanks guys, appreciate you.